What if you had an AI that could look at a photo, listen to audio, read an entire research paper, and watch a video all at the same time, and then actually reason through all of it to give you a smart, useful answer? That's not a distant dream. That's Gemini 3.1 Pro, Google DeepMind's most advanced model to date, and the subject of today's deep dive. Whether you're a developer, a student, a researcher, or just someone curious about where AI is heading, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what this model can do, how it performs against the competition, and why it matters. So, what exactly is Gemini 3.1 Pro? It's the next step in the Gemini 3 series, built on top of the already impressive Gemini 3 Pro, with significant upgrades in reasoning, coding, and understanding complex multimodal information. The model can take in text, images, video, audio, and even entire code bases as input, and it has a massive context window of up to 1 million tokens. To put that in perspective, that's roughly the equivalent of reading 750 full-length novels and holding all of it in memory at once. It responds with text and up to 64,000 tokens in a single output. So it's not just reading a lot, it's thinking deeply and responding thoroughly. Let's talk about what this model is actually built for, because this isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of AI. First, advanced reasoning and complex problem solving. Gemini 3.1 Pro shines when tasks get genuinely hard. Scientific research, multi-step logic problems, algorithmic thinking. This is where it earns its title as Google's most advanced model for complex tasks. Second, agentic performance and tool use. Think of agentic as the ability to actually do things, not just say things. Gemini 3.1 Pro can use tools, run code, search the web, manage multi-step projects, and complete tasks autonomously. It's not just answering questions, it's getting things done. Third, advanced coding. Whether you're vibe coding, describing what you want in plain English, and having the AI build it, or working on serious production-level software, Gemini 3.1 Pro is Google's best model for both. It can read your whole codebase, find bugs, write new features, and even optimize performance. Fourth, long context and multimodal understanding. This model doesn't just skim. Feed it a 500-page document, a 2-hour video, or a complex image with a technical diagram. It reasons through the whole thing and gives you genuinely insightful answers. Now here's where things get really interesting. The numbers. According to Google DeepMind's official model card, published in February 2026, Gemini 3.1 Pro significantly outperforms its predecessor across nearly every benchmark tested. Let me highlight a few that really stand out. On ARC-AGI-2, one of the toughest tests of abstract reasoning that exists, Gemini 3.1 Pro scored 77.1%. That's a massive jump compared to Gemini 3 Pro's 31.1%, more than double. That's not incremental improvement. That's a genuine leap. On GPQA Diamond, which tests expert-level scientific knowledge, it scored 94.3%. That's near the top of any model tested. On BrowseComp, which measures how well a model can search the web and find reliable answers, it scored 85.9%, ahead of every other model in the comparison. And on LiveCodeBench Pro, the competitive coding leaderboard, it hit an ELO score of 2,887, again leading the pack. To be fair, not every benchmark is a clean win for Gemini 3.1 Pro. On GDP Val, for example, Claude's Sonnet 4.6 scores higher, and GPT-5.3 codex beats it on terminal-based coding tasks. Competition is real, and that's actually good for everyone. Power and performance are great, but what about safety? Google DeepMind put Gemini 3.1 Pro through rigorous safety evaluations before release. The model was tested across chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, and cyber risk domains, and it did not reach the critical capability levels that would trigger safety concerns in any of those areas. In fact, even in the cyber domain, where the previous model did reach an alert threshold, Gemini 3.1 Pro's Deep Think mode was tested extensively and was confirmed to remain below the critical level. Red teaming was also conducted by specialist teams completely separate from the model development group. For child safety, the model met all required launch thresholds. Overall, safety performance was consistent with its predecessor, which is a strong foundation to build on. So where can you actually use Gemini 3.1 Pro? Right now, you can access it through the Gemini app, Google AI Studio, the Gemini API, Google Cloud's Vertex AI, Google Antigravity, which is Google's new agentic development platform, and even inside Notebook LM. If you're a developer wanting to build with it, Google AI Studio is the fastest way to start experimenting. And if you're already on, Google Cloud Vertex AI integration is seamless. Gemini 3.1 Pro isn't just another AI model update. It's a meaningful step forward. Stronger reasoning, better coding, smarter agents, and multimodal understanding that actually works at scale. Whether you're building the next big app, doing deep research, or just trying to get more done, this is a tool worth paying attention to. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more AI breakdowns like this one. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I read every single one. See you in the next one.